In this video, I'll show you how to upload a new banner photo, create a new banner portlet, and add the image to the portlet. We're going to add a banner portlet to the About page. First, let's upload a banner photo to the site. Go to the Contents tab and navigate to the root of the site. Select the Site Images folder and then choose Banner Photos. It's not critical to store your photos here, but it will help keep things organized. Now select Add New from the left and select Image. Add a title and a description. Then select Choose File, navigate to the image on your computer, select it, and then hit Save. Now you'll see that the banner image has been added to the site. We're going to add a new banner portlet to the About page. From the left side, select Manage Portlets, then select the top option. Right below the menu, you'll see Add, Edit, or Remove a Portlet in the header area. Select that, and then choose in the Header Portlet A section, choose Add Static Text Portlet. Let's give the portlet a name. Let's call this About Banner Portlet. And then over here on the right, there's a template button, and if you select that and then use the drop down, you can add the banner. The banner comes preloaded with an image already there, so you can't change it here, but just select OK. Next, select that image and delete it, and then go back to Insert, Edit Image, and search for your image, which I'm going to type in banner because we have stored the image with the word banner in the title name. We also have the banner photos here. So we can select, so if you didn't know what the name was, you could go into your banner photos and choose the image. For the size, you'll want to select original size, and then just select Insert, scroll down. Be sure to tick this box, Omit Portlet Border. We don't want that to be added to the banner. Select that, and then hit Save. And now if you hit Return, you can see the banner there. Now we have added banner portlets, so you won't need to add a banner portlet unless there's not one on the page. So in the most cases, what you'll need to do is just change the image. So in that case, we would just go to Manage Portlets, select this text here, scroll down until you see the portlet name and select it, and then you can easily change the image here just like you did before. And that's basically all you need to do to change out your banner photos.